Business loans for bad credit. How to get money for your business. Are you funding a business? Turning to business credit to get the money to help your business is a smart decision. Alternative funding sources can also help, but you might be tempted to try a traditional lender or credit provider like a bank or credit union. Don't bother with conventional lenders. Credit unions and commercial lenders like banks will most likely not loan you money unless your credit is impeccable and you have been in business for a long time. Why? Because otherwise they know neither you nor your business, and that makes them feel you'll be a bad risk. See it from their perspective. They're just being cautious. And the SBA can't help most of the time. The Small Business Administration does not actually loan money. Instead, they set loan guidelines. Because the SBA guarantees these loans, rates are more favorable and the terms are more flexible. But if your company is new or your industry is felt to be high risk or your personal credit is bad, then you won't be able to get an SBA loan. Delays can cost you money. If you had to wait until a bank or credit union would feel comfortable enough to give you a loan or extend credit, you could be waiting a long time, and you would be missing out on opportunities. Fortunately, there are other options. There is no getting around it. Bad personal credit will be quite the problem. But good business credit is an asset, and your business and personal credit scores aren't the same. They can often diverge significantly. You can have bad personal credit, but good business credit. But good business credit is not developed by chance or overnight, or without you making an effort. But we know how you can build good business credit, and it won't be tied to your Social Security number. So here are a few more choices before we get to business credit building. One option is cash flow financing. It is one of the more popular types of business financing today. This is fast and easy money. All that is needed for approval is a 6-month bank statement review. You can typically get approved for 10 to 12% of your annual revenue. $600,000 in annual revenue can get you a $60,000 loan, and $400,000 in annual revenue can get you a $40,000 loan. There will be no collateral requirements. Lenders will often lend to as low as a 500 FICO score. Some lenders don't have credit requirements at all. Often, you need to be in business for at least a year. You should have revenue for over $10,000 monthly. You will need to have more than 10 monthly deposits. You will need to be able to show a positive bank balance at the end of each month. Once you have paid back half of your loan, you will get offered another loan. Terms will get longer and the rates will get better. Over 70% of funded customers will come back and get more money. Check out business revenue lending and cash advances. One place to turn to is business revenue lending and cash advances. These are not loans. Rather, business revenue lending, also known as cash flow financing, is an advance. It is based upon the expected future sales and revenues of a business. You can get 72-hour funding. Let's recap. Look at your options. Consider funding sources that aren't even loans at all. Unsecured business financing or government grants are an option. Contact us today to learn more about business loans for bad credit, how to get money for your business.